isang no-expense fare na awards night.
Hindi, ito yun.
Simple-simplihan lang ang labanan.
Astig goes to the 2011 Golden Screen Awards for TV4.
The Datigbags Authority! Casual-casualan ng emote sa gabi ng parangal.
Where most men arrived in denim in various suits and jackets.
Like Arthur Solinap and Carlo Gonzalez, who came with Castaway Aifa Medina. Boys, i-castaway nyo na si Aifa at ako, ang hanapin nyo. Come to mama!
Ayaw nila. Meanwhile, sina Enzo Pineda, Rocco Naceno at Chef Cadayon na nga lookalikes pa sa mga matching denim sleeves, jackets nila. Kailangan talaga pare-pareho.
May number po kami, no?
Jake Rojas was there. Remember him? Hindi. Let's move on.
Host that night si Venus Ra, who was deserving of her first name dahil Malagades of Loving nga naman ang arrive niya that night.
Tinabata naman siya ni Delicious Mical Daes, who was his usual dapper self. Rice na lang kulang dahil ulam na siya.
Si Kim Atienza naman, parang ihahunt pa ang ulam niya. Karere na talaga ang safari get up, kuya.
Casual lang talaga kaming mga bagets like AJ Mula, Alden Richards at Derek Monasterio.
Pero meron naman tinatawag na casual at nangangasual. And I'm talking to you, Derek. Hindi porke pinatungan mo ng suit, ang pang-malling mo dressy na ito. At pwede, iluwa mo muna yung bubblegum mo o candy bago ka humarap sa press. Buti pa si Alwin Oitinko, prepared siya for the event. Very attentive siya sa date niyang the equally well-dressed Jenica Garcia.
At attentive rin siya sa patilya ng Chanel si FPJ.
At attentive rin siya sa receding hairline ba yan, Alwin? Kaya comb to the front na ang hairstyle mo ngayon?
Manghiram na lang siya kay Castaway Chucky Dreyfus with his profusely growing locks.
Nananawag na ng trim at ipasabay mo na rin ipashampoo.
O kaya at least suklay, Chucky. Na-invent na ang suklay. Try mo.
Hunky Ervic Bihadre came again with Aubrey Miles.
Kaya hindi mamamatay-matay ang chismis sa inyong dalawa eh.
Di naman masisi si Ervic kung maakit kay Aubrey in her loosely flowing hunky dress.
Kung loose ang suot ni Aubrey, si Alisa Alano naman, hapit-hapitan.
Pero ayan, maski na may takip ang dibdib niya, nag-humayaw, I wanna break free.
Couple of the night naman sina Luis Manzano at Janeline Mercado, who were in matching all black.
Jen was wearing a black sleeveless mini na high-neck man. May butas naman sa dibdib na pampadelight kay Lucky.
Stunt dressing naman ang drama ni Bembol Rocco, who came in character wearing a wig and an all-black ensemble broken by a huge bib necklace.
Pero, is it me or Bembol channeling another actress na itago na natin sa pangalang Gina Alahar? Nalito ako, who is who?
Close na ito!
This is the Datigbags Authority!
Kung gusto niyo ay chismis online, ang kailangan niyo ay StarTalk Plug-in. Host ni Chucky Dreyfus.
Ito ang nasa ilalim ng dining table namin sa set ng Daldalita.
How baboy the bibe? Well, at least kung magkaubusan ng pagkain sa caterer, hindi na kailangang mamalengke. Maraming stars pa lang nabigyan ng star sa Walk of Fame ni Kuya Germs, kagaya ni Miss Iza Calzado.
Honored to be granted a star, Dad must be so happy.
Karen De Los Reyes is in a not-so-nice mood.
He called me names as if you threw rocks on my face. I'ma let you roll in a pile of cow dung if you won't stop your kerengkengness.
Give it to her, girlfriend. Wait, teka. Ano bang kaaway mo, Karen? Host naman ni Miss Aubrey Miles.
May mga hate pati blue hair ko. Haha, wala lang mapansin basta gusto ko lang mainis sa akin. Hay nako, lalong hindi ko yan papalitan. Blue.
True! Vlu kung vlu. Bakit ba papalitan kung bagay, di ba? Teka, bakit ba gantong boses ko? Di ba, direct? Cut! Host ni LJ Reyes.
So, this is boredom.
OMG! Hindi ka nga bored, LJ. Keep it up, ha? Keep it up. At syempre pa ang hottest topic na pinag-uusapan ng lahat on Twitter, on Facebook at kung saan-saan pa was the breakup of Casey with Piolo. Ang tanong, ano ba yung kailangan ni Piolo na hindi kayang ibigay ni Casey? Thank you so much to John Bagaduan for my grooming, Rahul Aurel for my clothes, Folder and Hang Fila, and D Squared for my eyewear. Congratulations to GMA Films and to the cast and crew of The Road. Kayo ba ay naparod nyo na ang The Road? Let me know what you think of the movie by adding hashtag The Road. Tweet me and follow me at official Tim Yap. This is Tim Yap, always keeping you Yap-dated. This is Tim Yap Unplugging.
May mga pabunot-bunot ka pa, Tim. Okay, ito mga kaibigan. Angelicopter, kilala niya. At si Jackie Forster, magkatunog pa. Sasagutin ng mga batikos matapos mag-quit sa Survivor. Alam niyo na yan. Philippines Celebrity Double Showdown. GMA Network, itong matindi. Ito, abangan nyo talaga. Kahit na alas 12 na ng gabi, hintayin nyo pa rin. GMA Network, sinagot ang kontrobersyal na video ni DJ Mo Twister. Abangan niyo yan. Ako, tende nito. Ito talaga, laglag ako dito.